Student, we are starting with the exercise related with volume, the questions related with volume. Very important thing which you should remember, that when you change a shape of an object, okay, when we change a shape of an object, volume remains the same but surface area changes. Clear? I am repeating once again. अगर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप चेंज करते हैं, देन इन दैट केस वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स द सेम. उसके पहले वाले शेप का वॉल्यूम और बाद वाले न्यू शेप का वॉल्यूम विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. ओके, बट सरफेस एरिया चेंजेस. ये एक बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है, हमेशा यूज होता है वेन एवर यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड विथ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मेल्टेड और रिकास्ट किया जाता है. एंड वेरी लाइवली एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू. एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट को अगर हम आइडियल कंडीशन एज्यूम करें तो हमारी मदर्स कई बार ज्वेलरी लेके ज्वेलरी शॉप पे जाती हैं एंड दे गिव कि भैया ये कड़ा ले लेना और इसके बदले अब रिंग बना देना, एक नेकलेस बना देना. तो वाई शी इज़ डूइंग सो? शी इज़ डूइंग सो दैट बिकॉज शी नोज कि वॉल्यूम विल रिमेन सेम, शेप विल चेंज. Okay, I am giving an example of ideal condition. So same way in this question they are telling us a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted. Means one sphere is there, so assume this is our sphere and radius of this sphere is 4.2. We melt it and we recast मतलब हम नया shape बनाते हैं. We make a new shape into the shape of a cylinder. तो suppose इसी का मैं बना देती हूँ cylinder. So here it is my cylinder now. Okay, I made it cylinder. पहले sphere था, now it is cylinder. So volume is same. I have not taken out anything. I have not added. I have only changed the shape. So my volume of this object before and after will remain same. Radius, they have given the radius is 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So let's see how to solve. Solution. Always in the question related with surface area and volume, you are supposed to draw the figure. It contains marks, so it is a sphere and sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. Okay, and we are changing that into a सिलेंडर. रिकास्टिंग, मेल्ट करके नया बनाया हमने सिलेंडर ऑफ रेडियस. और इस सिलेंडर का जो रेडियस है, रेडियस ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर इज 6 centimeter. So in both the cases we can say that volume of sphere will be equal to the volume of cylinder. So given, very simple, we will write here, we will write radius of sphere is equals to 4.2 centimeter and then it is radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is equals to 6 centimeter. Then by the concept we know that, what we know, that volume, this is V0 I am using for volume. Volume of cylinder will be equal to volume of sphere. Sphere को हमने melt किया and we converted into cylinder. Now we should know the formulas for volume of cylinder and volume of sphere. So we will write the formulas of cylinder. So what will be the formula of cylinder? So it will be volume of cylinder will be pi r square h is equals to volume of sphere will be 3 by 4 pi. So it will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now don't write the same r, but I will change the r. I will put here r cube so that we don't get confused between these two. Now value of pi in both the cases will be same, so we will cancel here pi and pi. Now here volume of cylinder. In cylinder what is the radius? Radius is 6 centimeter. तो 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू h इज इक्वल्स टू, इट विल बी 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. तो इन द केस ऑफ स्फीयर द रेडियस इज 4.2 centimeter into 4.2 centimeter into 4.2 centimeter. So here we will find h. First we will transpose. We will not be in hurry to solve. First always make a common equation, then it becomes easy for you to solve. Into 6 centimeter. Now we can cancel up and down and you will get the answer. What answer you are going to get? We will cancel here. We can be cancelled by 6 table. So after calculation we will get the answer 2.74 centimeter, and you will write the last. Thus height of the cylinder is